beautiful.
It's rainy
Yeah.
season, but look at these.
Nice weather. Wow.
Looks nice.
It's very beautiful.
Getting harder to stay in control, but perfection is my only goal. Have to fight it 'cause I won't go back. I'd rather see the whole world go back to black.
Costa Rica,
Yes.
welcome to my country.
Thank you. It's
Thank
beautiful.
you.
I'm really glad you like it.
Hello.
Wow.
Welcome to our place. So we're staying in Andaz Papagayo, and look at the view.
Yeah.
This is just a regular suite room.
It is, but it's
Yeah,
really
but
nice.
it's still really nice. So we have the bedroom here with, of course, the TV and nice chair while
With the
looking
view.
at the view. And on top of that, there's a private balcony. This is unlocked.
Push.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Stand here. There's a really spacious balcony. I think that's the that's
Marina?
the marina that
Yeah.
the guy is talking about.
Yeah.
So nice. And come here. Oh, these hats are free.
Okay.
They give it to us.
So
I think one for me and one for you.
give me
Am I too
my.
close? Don't make me too close.
Okay.
Good. Hi, friends. And the bathroom. And this is the shower room. And look at that. It's like a stone. And then you can have the view while you're showering.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, let me show you something. Okay. So these are
some goodies.
some goodies. So these snacks are complimentary.
Yeah.
Some local, I think local chips, granola bar. They have coffee and tea and sodas.
Soda, water,
Soda.
some beer.
Okay. They said that alcohol beverages is
Yeah, it's not free.
it's not free, but the soda. What's this?
Price card.
Is this the beer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, they gave us like some chocolates.
Local chocolates.
Local chocolates. So we're gonna try that. This is the closet here. It's the closet. They have the slippers and umbrella. Let's see. These are the local chocolates. Already opened the plantain chips. Sailing.
And I'm blinded by this light from nowhere. This blue planet with life and an atmosphere. I look closer and I can't believe what I'm seeing down there is me.
Did you press out here?
Yes.
Welcome. Welcome to my
Thank
office.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have this view every day.
Yes.
We have like an early dinner. Thank you.
Get the golden hour. Looks good.
That's beautiful, right? Yeah.
That's the octopus, and a fish taco.
Fish taco.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Anything else that I can help you?
We're good for now.
Good for
Yeah.
So this is the mahi-mahi. I want this one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Ay, balsin pa sa kilid. Ay, balsin yung mga ilaw. Cheers. Okay.
For dinner. I think this is the kids' pool. We're going to the beach.
Then we can come back for our next one.
Yeah. Ooh, there's your brother. This is nice.
This is the steps going down to the beach. Costa is pointing this way, Puna. See? It's this way.
It's nice at night, like stream lights. Looks like a monkey. So I think there's like kayaks and stand-up paddle boards here that you can use free as a guest to the Attribution-Park. This is swing. Oh yeah.
Yay, Costa Rica, first day. We're on the beach. Andaz Papagayo. Yeah.
After
After dinner.
We're the only ones here.
Yeah. Really nice.
Yay!
That's the marina behind us.
Yeah, I don't,
Long trip, but looks like it's worth it.
yeah, we're going to swim for a little bit in the pool. So we're going back to where the restaurant is. That's where the pool are. And I think this is the shortcut. There's stairs.